Alright guys, we are back at the shop. We just did a 2,050 mile round trip. The 2018 Coyote truck did awesome. I love the truck. It did really good towing. We got about 13 miles a gallon round trip towing the car. All of our bumpers and fenders and the Celine spoiler we picked up stayed in. So now Bruce's notch is ready to unload. So Brent's gonna hop in there and unload it. And we're gonna take the trailer back, the truck back, all that. And yeah, so let's get this thing unloaded. We forgot a battery. Alright Bruce, your car is safe now with us, and you're really going to enjoy the makeover we do on it. So if anyone's watching, this 5.0 and automatic transmission is for sale. I'm not sure if he's going to sell the wheels, but we're doing 5-lug swap. So if anyone's interested, comment or email us and I'll talk to Bruce and see what he wants for it. So right now, yeah, we're gonna take the trailer back and all that stuff, and then I don't know, we'll probably be back before the end of the day. I don't know, we just got here, you know, we're tired as hell. We've spent 37 hours with that truck running, like driving. We honestly probably spent 50 in the truck because we slept and stuff, so we're wore out, and we are going to probably take a little break from filming for a couple hours, but we may be back, so we'll just see how it goes. And yeah, we got a lot to do still. It's 3 o'clock. Take the trailer back, take the truck to Louisville Airport, all that stuff. So we'll be back. So anyway, we got Rick's 96 convertible here. Everything's hooked back up, so you can start it and drive it around. Last time in the video of his car, we actually primed the lower rockers because we did the side skirt dellet. So I'm taking the deck lid off. We bought this new roll around hanger, and you can adjust it. I mean, the thing goes, you know, 6.5, 7 foot tall, and it's really light, and you can just roll it so easy. So now I can hang my deck lids, as you can see. And that's just from where I wiped it off with wax and grease remover. It hasn't dried yet. So now if I wanted to, I could cut it in, jam it, and paint the outside at the same time. But on his car, we're not doing jams, but I am going to do these jams because I can't let that go. Brent and I decided we're just going to scuff and spray it, spray some etch primer, and then spray some base and clear. It's too nasty. But as you can see, the bottom of the deck lid, it's not faded and it looks pretty nice. So we're gonna just do the outside, but being able to hang it like this, we can roll it around and get less dirt in it because there's less surface area at the top. So it's really good, and I'm excited. Here is his underside of his hood that I did. Let's see, yesterday we went to the PRI event, so I did this Wednesday night, I guess it was. And I went ahead and just did the black inserts in the middle like I always do. Rick, I hope you love that because I didn't even ask you, I just kind of did it. And we're going to order a couple stickers for the underside of the hood from LMR. So gonna let this dry probably until about Sunday. Flip it over, not that it's not dry, but flip it over, and then I gotta sand, wet sand the outside and then paint it. So I just want to go ahead and let it harden up as much as I can because it's ice cold here now in Indiana. And then we'll do the outside, and I'll do the fenders when I paint this, and probably the rear bumper. And then we got to do the front bumper, deck lid spoiler delete, obviously, as you all saw. And then we have the taillight covers I'm going to paint tonight. The license plate insert I'm going to paint tonight. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and paint the pillars on the front windshield for the convertible tonight. And then all that's left is front bumper, fenders, hood after that, and then the body, of course. But the body will be easy. It's just doors, quarter panels, and trunk area. So I love painting convertibles. Plus, it's a little cheaper for you guys if you have a convertible because there's less parts you have to take off, and you don't have to paint a roof and stuff like that. So anyway, I just want to show you guys this. This is my new favorite, I guess, a piece of equipment in the shop right now. Haven't used it yet. I'm getting ready to try it out on this Red Fire 96 deck lid. And yeah, so I'm going to get some base. I got to wrap the back up with paper and tape, and then we'll check back in. You want to get views or not? All right, well, where are we at?
Indy, baby. I know where we're at. What show are we at? What show?
PRI. All right, guys. Day 2 PRI. Actually, yeah, it's day 2 for us.
Day 3, though.
Yeah. So, anyways, we went and got Warren, our event manager, and Naomi, our showgirl, today. So we're gonna be showing some tits, getting some tits Hooters today.